What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Avion. I go by Avy. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for coming. Go ahead and join the family by hitting that red subscribe button and click the notification bell. That way you're updated with all my new uploads. And yeah, we're just gonna get right into the video. So we're gonna start off with some trimming scissors and on freshly blown out hair. And we're gonna get rid of these trash ends. So I like to start off in the back and start in sections. So I want to section off a piece of my hair and then clip up the rest. So I like to comb through each section to make sure it's smooth and going through. And then I feel the ends of my hair to try to get an understanding of where I need to cut. So all that at the bottom, that got to go. Don't mind me, I'm looking in my mirror to make sure I'm cutting right. I'm gonna cut about this much off. That's about ½ inch. And we're gonna chop that thing off. After each cut, I like to just brush it through, and then we're gonna unclip and we're gonna start off on the next section. So I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair and just continue through and let you guys listen to some music while I go ahead and finish the rest. So right here, I just wanted to show y'all that I accidentally cut off a whole plait of my hair a while back when I had faux locks in my hair. Just tragic. So just to show you guys the front, so I'm in the front, I'm doing the same technique. I'm just filling down towards the end of my hair where I need to cut it. And then again, we're just gonna cut off a little bit and we're gonna chop it off. Yeah, so we're pretty much done and everything is cut nicely. See, everything is pretty much a little bit even. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I definitely see a difference. By the way, your boy got a fresh cut today. So this is how much we cut off today. Not too bad, but them ends had to go. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Don't mind my dancing, don't judge me. But hope this was informative to you guys. Hope you guys like it, give it a thumbs up. Follow me on social media down below. and I'll see you guys in my next video.